and conduct a search, but that, we're told, wouldn't in a million years have been their purpose. They were not looking for a suspect, we're told. Now, again, if we take the officers at their word, they said, if Mr. Simpson had come to the door, even after we climbed over the wall and knocked at the door, we would have left. Well, within minutes of that knock on the door, they had accomplished their purpose. The evidence is undisputed that the call was completed to speak to Mr. Simpson in Chicago shortly after 5:45 in the morning. The testimony of Officer Furman is that between 6:15 and 6:30, a half hour to 45 minutes later, is when he first engaged in his foray to explore the area to the south of the residence in the wall behind Mr. Kalin's room. Third, Ms. Clark has said, well, this case doesn't involve rousting. It doesn't involve Sherman tanks invading the premises. But, of course, that's not what the Fourth Amendment is designed to protect us against. It is designed to protect our reasonable expectations of privacy. It is designed to protect against the activity of police officers searching for evidence without probable cause and a warrant. And I don't think there can be much doubt that these officers were searching for evidence. The first thing they did when they entered Mr. Kalin's room was not to look for a bleeding victim, but to examine his clothing, to examine the shoes he had worn the night before. Finally, I think it's important to bear in mind that the whole purpose of the Fourth Amendment is that we don't entrust our privacy to the discretion of police officers who are engaged in the process of ferreting out criminal activity. The purpose of the Fourth Amendment is to have a neutral magistrate intervene between the police officers and the citizen. And here in California, we have magistrates a phone call away. All they had to do was pick up the telephone and they could have gotten a telephonic search warrant. And we were told by the officer, we've never used that procedure. And we might ask ourselves, why? Is it because they don't need to? Is it because conjuring up this exigent circumstances or emergency exception is some sort of talisman that makes the Fourth Amendment disappear? Is it because we don't have the fortitude and the courage to say to our police officers, the Fourth Amendment means what it says? And what it says is, before you invade the privacy of a person's residence, you get probable cause, you go to a judge, and you get a search warrant. Thank you.
All right, is the matter submitted at this time by both sides?
The court is not inviting the people to be heard again, I take it?
No, I'm not at this time.
And that was...
All right, the court will announce its ruling tomorrow morning. We will be in recess at this time until 9 o'clock tomorrow.